Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. On the night of July 6th, 2020, we spent the night in Kansas City, Missouri, and although we didn't really have time to explore the city, we did have to drive across town, and we caught it on film. So we begin today's city tour on the north end of the Country Club District. This group of neighborhoods comprises a historic upscale residential district developed by noted real estate developer J.C. Nichols. The district was developed in stages between 1906 and 1950, and today is home to approximately 60,000 people and includes such well-known Kansas City neighborhoods as Sunset Hill and Brookside, Missouri, Mission Hills, Fairway, and the oldest parts of Prairie Village in Kansas, making it the largest planned community built by a single developer in the United States. Ward Parkway, a wide manicured boulevard, traverses the district running south from the Country Club Plaza, the first suburban shopping district in the United States. The Missouri-Kansas state line is just a few blocks to the west. We turn north on Madison Avenue and enter the old Westport neighborhood, originally an independent town. It was annexed by Kansas City in 1897. Today it's one of Kansas City's main entertainment districts. Westport was first settled by Reverend Isaac McCoy and his family in 1831. It was platted 3 years later and incorporated in February of 1857. Isaac's son, John Calvin McCoy, is generally considered the father of Kansas City after he formally founded the town. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. We enter the greater downtown area of Kansas City on the west side of the Central Business District. In March of 2012, downtown Kansas City was selected as one of America's best downtowns by Forbes magazine for its rich culture and arts, numerous fountains, upscale shopping, and various local cuisine, most notably barbecue. We'll be jumping onto I-35 North shortly, which will take us through the downtown area for a few miles. We exit I-35 near its junction with I-70 and get onto US Highway 169. We'll land in the Quality Hill neighborhood in the Kansas City Garment District. In the 1930s, several large clothing manufacturers clustered here, making Kansas City's garment district second only to New York City's in size. Today, this heritage is commemorated by an oversized needle and thread monument. Its old industrial buildings have since been redeveloped into loft apartments, offices, and restaurants. Henry Perry, father of Kansas City-style barbecue, got his start in 1908 from a stand in an alley in this neighborhood. We turn left onto Broadway and cross I-70. Ahead, a viaduct will take us over the River Market neighborhood of downtown Kansas City and we'll approach the Missouri River. The John Jordan Buck O'Neill Memorial Bridge takes us over the Missouri River and into Clay County, but we remain within the city limits of Kansas City. The Charles B. Wheeler Downtown Airport is located here. We passed through the independent municipality of North Kansas City, which has been completely enclaved by Kansas City as Kansas City has expanded to the north. North Kansas City had an estimated population of 4,571 as of 2019. Now we leave the city limits of North Kansas City and re-enter Kansas City and travel through the Northland Suburbs.
Yeah.
We conclude today's video as we get onto I-29 North. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.